So in this problem, we are given the number of outcomes for each possibility of a hand of poker in a 5-card poker hand. So what we're asked to do then is to find the probability of being dealt a flush or one pair. And so if we want the value for a flush, what we see going across is that we have 5,108 possibilities of getting a flush. And likewise, if we want one pair for that one, we have a total number of possibilities of 1,098,240. And so if we're looking for the probability of a flush or one pair, we will actually have our 5,108 plus our 1,098,240, and that will be all over our total number of possibilities of 2,598,960. And so what this gives us is approximately 0.424534429.